Hey, so if Zen Browser is playing videos but there's no sound, or audio just suddenly stops working, yeah, that's usually caused by system settings, muted tabs, or output device issues. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser audio not working step by step. All right, first, make sure your system volume is turned up and not muted. Now check if the browser tab itself is muted. Sometimes audio is disabled per tab. Make sure your correct speakers or headphones are selected as the output device. Close Zen Browser completely and reopen it to reset audio sessions. Some websites may have audio permissions blocked, so check site settings. Extensions like ad blockers or audio enhancers can sometimes interfere with sound playback. Corrupted cache files can also cause audio playback issues, so clear browsing data. Outdated audio drivers on your system can prevent sound from working correctly. If the issue still continues, reinstall Zen Browser to reset all audio-related settings. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help restore audio in Zen Browser, so everything sounds normal again.